I am so excited to show you this 1960 custom-built home. With the cool mid-century vibe, this home is the cat's meow. Owners of this home spared no expense when building it, and this home ended up exceeding their every expectation for more than 63 years. Let's take a look. With more than 4,100 square feet of living space, this home has 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 fireplaces, and even 2 kitchens. There's an attached 2-car garage, plus an enormous RV garage that could easily accommodate a couple of motorhomes or a collection of cars, bikes, motorcycles, boats, whatever you've got. You'll love this superbly manicured full-acre lot with sweeping views of the valley, Mount St. Helens, and Mount Hood. Home opportunities like this one are pretty rare and fewer by the day. So reach out to me or your agent to take a look. Don't let this one slip by you.